Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Learning. Today we are diving into Flash Fill, a super smart Excel tool that autofills patterns and saves you time. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with a quick example. Suppose you have a list of full names in column A and want to separate the first and last names. All you need to do is type the first name for the first entry, hit enter, and then start typing the next first name. Notice how Excel recognizes the pattern and give a suggestion in the light gray text. To accept it, just press enter and there you go. Excel just filled in all the first names. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl E to activate Flash Fill instantly. Let's try it on the last names now. Type the last name, press enter and press Ctrl E on your keyboard. Done. Let's take this a step further. Imagine you need to create email addresses in the format firstname.lastname@company.com. Instead of typing each email one by one, let Flash Fill handle it. Just type the first email, then press Ctrl E. Look at that, Excel automatically fills in the rest of the emails in the same format. You have just saved yourself a ton of times. Next up, let's format phone numbers. Right now, I have a bunch of phone numbers in a simple format, but I want them to look like this. After typing the first formatted phone number, press Ctrl E and just like that, Excel formats all the numbers for you. Flash Fill can even combine data from multiple columns. Let's say you have street names, cities and states in separate columns and you want to combine them into a single address. After typing the first full address, hit Ctrl E and Excel does the rest. You have got a full list of addresses formatted just the way you want. Have dates but need just the year? Flash Fill can do that too. Type the year once, press Ctrl E and Flash Fill will extract it from each date in your list. Sometimes Flash Fill doesn't pick up the pattern right away. Here are two quick fixes. First, make sure Flash Fill is turned on by going to File, select Options, then go to Advanced and check Automatically Flash Fill. Second, make your pattern clear and consistent. Flash Fill works best when there's a straightforward pattern to follow. And that's the magic of Flash Fill. Try it out on your data and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you and subscribe to Easy Learning for more quick Excel tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.